Hello, everyone. I'm Tammy.
And I'm Downey. Last week, we talked about small talk, those easy conversations when you see someone again.
Right. And you know what people love to talk about during small talk?
Family and friends.
Exactly. Someone asks, do you have brothers or sisters? Or tell me about your family. So today, we're learning how to answer these questions naturally.
And this is important because talking about family helps you connect with people on a deeper level.
Now, before we start, my English teacher once told me something really helpful. She said, your brain loves patterns. So don't learn random words. Learn them in groups that make sense.
Oh, that's smart. Like learning all the kitchen words together or all the weather words together.
Exactly. And with family, it's perfect because families naturally have groups.
Yes, much easier than memorizing one word at a time.
Okay, so let's think about a family tree. At the top, you have grandparents, grandmother, and grandfather.
Then their children, that's your parents' generation, your mother and father, and their siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters.
Right. So your mother's sister is your aunt. Your father's brother is your uncle.
And your aunts and uncles have children. Those are your cousins.
Then there's your generation, you and your siblings, your sister, your brother.
And if you have children, they call you mother or father, and they call your parents grandmother and grandfather.
Perfect. Oh, and when you get married, you get a whole new family tree. Your husband's parents become your mother-in-law and father-in-law. His sister becomes your sister-in-law.
So in-law means family through marriage, not by blood.
Exactly. And here's a phrase you'll hear a lot. We're like family. This means someone is so close to you, they feel like real family even though they're not.
I say that about my best friend. He's like a brother to me.
Perfect example. You know, I had an interesting conversation yesterday that shows exactly how people talk about family. I was at the dentist office. You know how you sit in the waiting room?
Oh yeah, always a wait.
Right, so there was a woman next to me with her daughter. The little girl was about 5, and she looked so nervous. Poor thing, kept looking at the door. So I smiled at her, and we just naturally started talking.
I'm sorry if she's bothering you. She's nervous about the dentist.
Oh, no bother at all. I was scared of the dentist when I was little too.
Really?
Really. But it's not bad. They just look at your teeth.
See, sweetie? This nice lady is saying the same thing as me.
What's your name?
Lily.
That's beautiful. How old are you?
I'm 5.5.
The and a half is very important to her.
Of course. Is this your first time at the dentist?
Second time. But she was only 2 before, so she doesn't remember.
Do you have other kids?
Yes, a son. He's 9, at school right now.
Oh, so Lily is the youngest.
I'm not a baby. I'm a big girl.
Absolutely right. Do you go to school?
Kindergarten. I can read now.
Wow, that's amazing. My nephew loves reading too. He's 7.
Oh, you have a nephew? Does he live nearby?
No, different city. So I don't see him as much as I'd like. What about you? Is your family around here?
Actually, yes. My sister lives really close. Her kids and my kids play together all the time.
That must be wonderful. Cousins growing up together.
It really is. They're like siblings, playing together, fighting together.
Lily, we're ready for you.
Mommy.
I'm coming with you, sweetie. Nice talking to you.
You too. Good luck, Lily.
That's such a natural conversation.
Right? And see how easy it was? We were just in the same place, waiting together, and we started talking about family.
And you used some really useful phrases there. They're like siblings. Even though they're cousins, they act like brothers and sisters because they're so close.
Exactly. Okay, here's our first quiz question for today.
Let's hear it.
When meeting someone new in English-speaking countries, what's usually the first question after, "What's your name?" Is it A, where are you from? B, do you have siblings? Or C, what do you do?
Good question. Remember your answer, everyone. Now, Tammy, when you were talking to that mom, you mentioned your nephew and she asked about him, right?
She did.
So when people ask about your family, they want to know what they're like. And that's where describing people comes in.
Right. There are two main ways to describe someone: their appearance, which is how they look, and their personality, which is how they act.
For appearance, we keep it simple: tall and short for height. You might say someone is athletic if they exercise a lot and are in good shape.
But here's something interesting about English-speaking cultures. We usually don't focus too much on appearance when describing family.
Really? What do we focus on?
Personality. We say things like, "My brother is so funny," or "My sister is really thoughtful." Let me explain these words. Thoughtful means someone who thinks about other people's feelings and does kind things for them.
Like remembering your birthday or asking how you're doing when you seem sad.
Exactly. And if someone is friendly and loves meeting new people, we say they're outgoing.
On the other hand, if someone is quiet and prefers small groups, we say they're shy.
Right. Now, generous is a beautiful word. It means someone who loves to give and share. The opposite would be selfish, someone who only thinks about themselves. Though, be careful with that word. It's not polite to say directly.
Good point. Another useful word is stubborn. That's when someone really sticks to their opinion and doesn't like to change their mind.
That can be good or bad, right? Sometimes being stubborn helps you achieve goals. Sometimes it just causes arguments.
That's so true. You know, when I teach these words to my students, I always teach them in pairs, opposites together.
That's great. Outgoing and shy, generous and selfish, tall and short.
Exactly.
So everyone listening, when you learn a new describing word, find its opposite and learn them as a pair. Your brain will thank you.
Okay, here's quiz question number 2. In English, what do we call a family with parents, children, grandparents, aunts, and uncles all living together? A big family, B, an extended family, or C, a complete family?
Think about that one. Now, speaking of describing family, I want to tell you about my friend Rachel. We met at yoga class about 6 months ago, and we always have coffee together after class. Last week, she was telling me about her weekend plans with her family. But her family situation is a bit different. Her parents divorced when she was young, and both of them married other people again. So she has what we call a blended family.
Oh, that's pretty common these days.
It is. And it's good to know the vocabulary for this. Listen to how she talks about it.
So, do you have plans this weekend? Not really. Maybe lunch with my brother if he's free. You? Family dinner's Saturday, my dad's side of the family.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It's a lot of people. My dad married again when I was 12, so I have a stepmom and 2 stepbrothers.
How's your relationship with them?
With my stepmom? Actually really good. She's been in my life for 15 years now, so she feels like real family.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, I'm lucky. She's always been kind to me, very thoughtful, you know? She remembers little things about me.
That's sweet. What about your stepbrothers?
They're much younger. They were only 3 and 5 when our parents got married, so at first I was more like a babysitter.
That must have been interesting.
It was. But now they're 18 and 20, actual adults.
It's strange. Do they look like your dad at all?
No, they take after their mom, both really tall and athletic. My dad's pretty short, actually.
Funny how that works. Do you see them often?
Not too often. They're busy with college, but we text sometimes. We're not super close, but we care about each other.
That makes sense. And your mom? Do you see her too?
Oh yeah, all the time. She also married again. I actually have a half-sister from that marriage. She's 10.
Oh, wow. So you have a much younger sister.
Yeah, she's adorable. I take her out sometimes. Movies, ice cream, stuff like that.
That's so sweet. Does she look up to you?
Way too much. She wants to copy everything I do. Hair, clothes, everything.
That's what little sisters do.
True, but it's nice. Even though we have different dads, she's still my sister.
Family is family.
That's a really honest conversation about modern families.
It is. And she used some important vocabulary there. A stepmom or stepdad is someone who married your parent. They're not your biological parent, but they're your parent's husband or wife.
And a stepbrother or stepsister is your step-parent's child from before.
Right. Now, a half-sibling is different. That's when you share one biological parent, like Rachel's half-sister. They have the same mom, but different dads.
Got it. And she used a great phrase, "She looks up to me." That means someone admires you and wants to be like you.
Usually, younger people look up to older people. Kids look up to their big brothers or sisters.
And another really useful phrase, take after. Rachel said they take after their mom. That means they're similar to their mom.
You can use it for looks, like he takes after his dad, they're both tall. Or personality, she takes after her mom, they're both really outgoing.
Perfect. And one more thing from that conversation. Rachel said, we're not super close, but we care about each other. That's very honest and realistic.
Exactly. Not all family members are best friends, and that's okay. You can still love them and care about them.
Okay, here's our last quiz question.
Let's hear it.
What does the phrase, blood is thicker than water, mean? A, family is most important. B, water is healthier than blood. Or C, family problems are serious.
Good one. Now let's talk about friends, because friends are just as important as family.
Absolutely. And talking about friends is really common in English conversations. People ask, how did you meet your best friend? Or do you have friends in this city?
Right. So let's learn some useful phrases. A close friend, or best friend, is someone you really trust. You can tell them anything.
A childhood friend is someone you've known since you were kids. And a work friend might be someone you're friendly with at work, but you don't really see them outside the office.
Now, we clicked right away is a great phrase. It means you became friends very quickly and naturally.
Like, I met Anna at a party and we just clicked. Now we talk every week.
Perfect. On the other hand, we drifted apart means you were close before, but slowly you stopped talking as much.
That happens in life. People move to different cities, get busy with work or family.
Right. Not every friendship lasts forever, and that's normal. Actually, something like that happened to me last month. My old college roommate, Eric, contacted me. I hadn't heard from him in maybe 5 years. He was in town for work and wanted to meet up for dinner.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was amazing. Let me show you how it went.
Tammy! It's so good to see you.
Eric, great to see you again, man.
How long has it been? 5 years?
At least. Since we finished college, I think.
Crazy. You look exactly the same.
I don't know if that's good or bad. You look great, though. Still going to the gym?
Trying to, not as much as college, but a few times a week. So, what have you been up to?
Still teaching English. I actually started a podcast about a year ago.
No way! That's awesome. Is it going well?
Yeah, it's great. I love it. What about you? You moved to Boston, right?
I did. Still there. I work for a marketing company now.
Nice. Do you like it?
I do. It's busy, but good people. Actually, that's partly why I wanted to meet up.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, my girlfriend and I are thinking about moving back to this area.
Really? That would be amazing.
Her family's here, and honestly, I miss having close friends nearby. In Boston, I have work friends, but it's different,
I totally get that. It's hard to make real friends as an adult.
right? In college, we hung out every day. Now I'm lucky if I see someone once a month.
True. But hey, our whole college group still has that group chat.
Oh, yeah! Though it's mostly just funny pictures now.
True. But it keeps us connected.
I'd love that. I miss having a friend I can just call and say, "Want to grab coffee?"
Well, call me anytime. We don't have to wait another 5 years.
Deal. Let's stay in touch this time.
Absolutely.
That's such a warm conversation.
It really was. We talked for about an hour straight.
And notice the phrase, "What have you been up to?" That's a super common way to ask about someone's life when you haven't seen them in a while.
Right. Much more natural than, what are you doing now?
And let's stay in touch means let's keep communicating, keep in contact.
Exactly. You know, even though Eric and I drifted apart, we picked up right where we left off. That's the sign of a real friendship.
You're absolutely right. Okay, quiz answers. Question 1. What do people usually ask first after names?
The answer is C. What do you do? People usually ask about jobs before family or location.
Question 2. What do we call a family with multiple generations together?
B. An extended family. When grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins all stay close or live together, that's an extended family.
And question 3. Blood is thicker than water.
A. It means family relationships are most important. It's a common English saying about family bonds being strong.
Though, as we learned today, friends can be like family too.
Absolutely. Okay, homework time. This week, tell someone about a family member or friend in English. Use personality words we learned today. You can do it. Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Until then, keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.